6. Unrevealed conversation techniques that only the elites know. 1. When you first meet someone, don't smile right away. Pause, look at them, and then smile, as if they are the reason. 2. If someone starts being vulnerable with you, stay really calm and don't look away. Your calmness will make them trust you. 3. In a group, keep glancing over at the person you like, even without speaking. This will improve your bond. 4. It may sound dumb, but learn new words. Using interesting words in conversations makes you more interesting than others. 5. When someone tells you a story or new experience they had, avoid the mistakes of one-upping them with a related story of your own. First, ask them more questions about what they shared, and then tell them about your experience. They want to feel heard first. 6. The power of polarity. You might think good conversations are smooth and don't have any disagreements, but often the reverse is true. Bringing 100% authentic opinions early on in convos will do 2 things. 1. The person will trust you more because they know you are being real, even if it's frustrating to them. 2. You end up connecting more genuinely with the person. If you master these 6 techniques, you can easily be the master of any conversation.